AI isn't coming, it's already here. And it's shaking up the job market faster than anyone can expect.
In AI.
AI,
AI.
AI,
AI. AI.
AI revolution.
AI content.
The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, over 85 million jobs could be displaced by automation and AI. And at the same time, new jobs will emerge, but only for those who are prepared. The IMF recently warned AI could impact over 60% of jobs in advanced economics. This isn't a science fiction, it's the next industrial revolution. From steam engines to the internet, jobs were lost and the new ones were created. But the question is, are you ready to evolve? But first, I'm Shrein, a marketing student studying in New York City. This channel is where Gen Z meets marketing, trends meet psychology, and content meets clarity. Now let's get started. To understand which jobs are at risk, we need to first understand how AI works. AI learns from data, millions of user-generated inputs, images, text, videos, voice commands. Think of it like a deck of cards. It doesn't invent new cards. It combines what's already there in ways that you have never imagined before. We all have imagined AI as 24/7 robot that builds houses, drives cars, and lifts steels. But the truth is, the first wave of disruption is in creativity and reputations. That's where the data is. And that's what AI is trained to replicate and outperform. So now let's understand how AI will replace jobs. Starting with graphic designing and video editing. AI tools like Midjourney and Canva are already replacing graphic designers in startups. You can type a modern, bold YouTube thumbnail with red or yellow tones and boom, it's done. Runway ML can now edit full videos, stabilize, color correct and even remove objects without touching Premiere Pro. That's an entire YouTube channel called AI Explained that uses only AI generated content. One design agency in Singapore laid over 30% of its junior designers after integrating these tools. Moving on to advertising and marketing. Remember that Heinz viral AI campaign? They asked Delhi to create ketchup and every result looked like Heinz. That's branding done by data. Some FMCG brands have launched entire campaigns from copy to visuals, product names, you name it, using just AI tools like ChatGPT and Copy AI. The result? 21% higher engagement than previous human-led campaigns. Creative agencies are trimming teams. Clients now ask, why pay 5 people when one prompt can do the entire job? Third is writing, copy, script and content. Netflix has reportedly hired AI script consultants to generate ideas and plots for their movies. News outlets now use Jasper AI and other AI writing tools to write entire articles, edited by a human but written by a bot. And in publishing, over 200 AI written books were uploaded in Amazon Kindle in just single week. The truth is, most writing is just a remix of what we have already consumed, and AI is faster, cheaper, and always available. Moving on to filmmaking and content creation. A short film titled The Frost was entirely AI generated. Scenes, actors, narration, and it looked all cinematic. Virtual influencers have now brand deals, and they are not even real. They don't age, don't need makeup, don't take holidays. For example, a record label created 1,000+ AI generated music videos without hiring a crew or a studio. It's becoming possible to create realistic video content without cameras, lights or actors. The cost of production is collapsing. Moving on to coding, GitHub AI Copilot can now write functions and debug code with up to 90% accuracy. In a recent interview, even Mark Zuckerberg said that Meta is actively replacing junior engineers with AI integrations. Mid-level coding jobs are getting hit first because AI does repetitive tasks faster and doesn't need any onboarding process. Moving on to admin and office tasks, from automated calendar scheduling to AI-based email replies. Office jobs are being replaced and streamlined with the help of AI. Even big firms like Goldman Sachs uses AI to summarize earning calls. Startups use bots to onboard employees and do payroll handling without any HR. One Indian e-commerce brand replaced its customer service with ChatGPT bot and saved over 20 lakhs annually. Okay, now let's be real. AI might not replace every job, which you see, but someone using AI definitely will. Netflix now uses AI to copyright scripts. McDonald's is testing fully automated stores, where one operator can handle tasks of over 10 employees. And it's happening right now. In some outlets, AI-powered kiosks take orders, prepare food and pack it with zero human staff. And it's not about big names. Freelancers are using AI to replace teams like copywriters, editors and even video producers. There are still many jobs which might not to worry about. For example, high-stake roles like doctors, lawyers, wealth managers. People still want human to make the final call. Why? Because one mistake could cost life or millions of dollars. Trust isn't something AI has earned yet. Second is leadership and people management roles. You can't automate motivation, team dynamics, or real-world negotiations. AI doesn't feel emotions. It mimics it, and we can tell the difference. Moving on to skilled trades, like AI can't fix a fuse, cook a perfect biryani, or unclog a pipe. Electricians, chefs, plumbers, this space is still safe. So if you are building or managing AI as a prompt engineer or tool integrator, you're not just safe, you're future-proof. Okay, so here's what I think. The worst move which you can make right now is ignoring AI. And the best move is to learn it, leverage it, beat it at its own game. This is a tool made for you, not a threat. Want a deep dive into the exact AI tools I use every week to study, write, create and even earn online? Drop AI tools in the comments below and I'll build a full guide just for you. This is Tren and we are just getting started. Subscribe if you want content where Gen Z meets the future of work and clarity first. Thanks for watching.